Bitcoin just hit $71,000 and it looks like it's on its way to a new all-time high. Let's talk about this. Welcome back to CryptoGains. I want to show you what I see in the charts. If it sounds interesting, drop that like. We're going to take a look at this chart here, which, we saw a bull flag formation forming, which I drew the pole line from here to here. You can see the price action bouncing between these two lines. And then we had this sort of pole flag moved across to show where prices could really go for Bitcoin. Actually, I'll continue on this because I've got this one here that I want to show you. I've got this chart here as well. I want to try and keep it quick as possible. In the last technical analysis video, I said to you we may fall back in price because I felt like we would come down and test the top of this flag. And you can look in the last video if you want to see it. And this is exactly what it did. It fell down in price. I said expect it to come down to about $65,000, which is what it did. We saw a pull back up and now Bitcoin's on its way. It's not far from an all-time high, guys. It's really not far. And if Bitcoin reaches new all-time highs, yeah, we probably could see this bull flag formation play out. We're talking about 3%-ish would make it a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Then sky's the limit. Look at this line up here, this flagpole. Wrong way around. Flagpole. It happens. If you've done it before, this, when you get the words mixed up, flagpole shows that this could really, really soar. But this could take a few weeks to play out because we're on a weekly time frame. So maybe over the next few months, we could really see prices for Bitcoin soar. This goes right up to 150K. I'm not sure if it's actually going to reach that. But if it just hits 100K, the whole world's going to be screaming mega bull cycle. And that means altcoins will just shine like crazy, I think. I think people are going to just rush to buy altcoins because they're going to miss the opportunities of buying mega cheap prices now. Let's quickly take a look at this. This is our monthly time frame. Take a close look at this RSI. This is nice. This is what's exciting me the most because we fell down on the RSI. This is all about relative strength index. Where is a price overbought? Is it oversold? Bitcoin's kind of been at a sort of 60 level over the last sort of month or so, hovering around the 60 level, 61 level. And look at this. It has its own sort of moving average. You can see this yellow line, right? The blue line, RSI, fell down to this yellow line. It's bounced off it and it's on its way back up. If we can see this, guys, if this is the moment we've been waiting for, and we see a parabolic move up like this, and it comes and tests this green line, this is your bull rally, and it's going to be exciting. You're going to see some serious money come into your portfolios, but you best remain focused. That's all I'm going to say, because this could happen over the next few months and then that's it. The entire cycle could be over and it can be short-lived. So we need to keep an eye on this. If you want to stick around to my channel, like and subscribe. I'm going to show you this always because this is our sign to the top of the cycle. Why? Because when you look in the past with this, every time we've seen it come up and peak between this green line, this green dotted line and this gold dotted line, that's sort of your take profit zone. This is on the monthly time frame as well. Always been the top of the cycle. This is very precise. So hold on, let me just bring this down a bit, the RSI like this. Take a look at the other tops of the cycles where we see the blue line on the RSI come up. I'll do a little H like this, a little horizontal line if it lets me, on a vertical line, sorry. Hold on, let me just do a vertical line like this. You can see how it matches up perfect to the top of the cycle. This blue line on the RSI, look at the top of the cycle. Look, this blue line on the RSI. Let's just draw another line here real quick to show you how the RSI, when it gets to the top into this zone, it's matching perfect to the all-time high every single time. I'm trying to find this line again. Here we go. And same again right back in 2014 cycle. Look at this all the way up here. Look at where it tops out. Look how it's hitting with this blue line right here. I noticed that there was 2 times it went in. It went in the first time here, fell down, rallied back up. You see it? So we saw this second time here, went in 2 times with the RSI, came up, fell down, went back up. This one only went in once in this last 2021 cycle. Came in, went up, fell down. But this is what I'm hoping for this time around, is to see it come up. And once we see that green, that could be a really, really good time to take some profits. And I'm going to let you know, because you need to know. You need to know where you are in the market, when to sell your crypto, when you see massive gains. You could become a millionaire if you're not already one. And you want to make sure you take the profits and know when to do it, right? You don't want to sell too early, but you want to sell when the time is right. So stick around, guys. I'm going to leave it here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Cheers. Never be defeated.